Here's the latest look at infrared satellite of Tropical Storm Francine. Now, earlier this morning, we were talking about dry air that was kind of moving into the center of this system, but it looks like the system is starting to overcome that dry air. You can see some additional thunderstorm development around that center of circulation, which indicates a potential strengthening here over the next couple of hours. So we'll certainly keep an eye on it. Still forecast to be a Category 2 hurricane at landfall, likely along the central Louisiana coastline. So it's going to stay away, at least a direct impact from East Texas, but we will still see some effects from it as some of the outer bands move on through. Could see some locally heavy rainfall out there through Thursday morning. There's only one really location that we could see locally up to 2 inches of rain, and that's by the Toledo Bend Reservoir area of Sabine County, highlighted in that very small area of dark green out there. So that would really be an exception to the norm if you get up to 2 inches, but it's certainly not out of the question, especially if you can get a thunderstorm moving on through. Elsewhere, rainfall amounts will be generally less than an inch and decreasing the farther west you go across the area, as we will see little to no rain for places like Athens and Sulphur Springs. Now, in terms of the threat for flash flooding, the threat has decreased overall. Yesterday, we were under a level 2 risk out of 4. Now we're just under a level 1 out of 4 risk for flash flooding. So still, it's possible. Make sure to keep that eyes on the road here as you head over the next couple of days, and remember to turn around and find an alternate way to get to your destination if you do happen to come across a flooded roadway. But again, not expecting widespread concerns out here. In terms of the chances of tropical storm force winds here, it looks pretty low across East Texas, except for the Sabine County area here, where we have the highest chance locally of seeing an isolated, say, 40-mile-per-hour wind gust here or there. But I don't think it will be windy enough to cause widespread issues. Power outages look unlikely. There could be an isolated power outage here or there here locally down by the Toledo Bend Reservoir, but shouldn't be prolonged. Now, if you're heading down towards the coast, that's where we definitely have the greatest concerns here. Storm surge, of course, one of the deadliest aspects, if not the deadliest, of a tropical system. Could be up to 12 feet in parts of Louisiana. But parts of eastern Texas could see 3 to 6 feet of storm surge out there. So if you are heading to the Texas coastline today or tomorrow, definitely want to pay attention to local authorities, and if evacuation orders are in place, certainly do not go, and certainly don't go swimming in the water. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We will see the best chance to rain for the day on Wednesday, and then we're drying things out for the weekend, but also heating up with highs in the mid-90s again by Sunday. For your latest weather forecast, you can head on over to our website.